Hi, welcome to another practical video where you can build your own multi-agent blog generator that works like a department. Suppose you have a department containing several specialists and focus is to generate a very effective blog. This is the agentic team that you can implement to repurpose your staff or the department. So especially if you have an automation agency and you are building AI-based solutions for your clients, here is a convincing agentic application. So let's see how it works first.
Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Schogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology.
So these are the input websites which are being cached. These are the scraped results from those websites which are being cached. And the final report generated is also being cached. So if you want to query the same report again, it will not take time. But initial generation takes time because each agent is doing its work, deep work. So this is a deep research agentic system that you can build. So here, added some sample topics that you can add here. We can also enter our own topic. So AI trends. Let's see this. And click on generate blog post. And easily we can also further automate this to post it as well. If you have a WordPress site or if you have a third-party site with API interface using which we can post. If you look at the log, you will see what is happening here. See, it is generating a blog post on AI trends. Checking if cache search results exist. Found 7 articles on attempt 1. Saving search results for topic AI trends. Checking if cached scraped articles exist. See how beautifully it is doing the research. So this takes time. Let it complete. And while this is doing, to save time, let's go over the repo which is giving us this code. This is from Agno Agentic Framework, which is a very easy to use agentic. We have created over 20 videos on Agno. Previous name of Agno was PhiData. Okay, so here, this is the code, this blog post generator. This advanced example demonstrates how to build a sophisticated blog generator that combines web search capabilities with professional writing expertise. The workflow uses multi-stage approach. So this uses a multi-stage approach. That means several agents connected as a workflow. It has web search and gathering source, content extraction and processing, that is scraping, and then professional blog post writing with proper citations. All this unattended. So this is an ideal SaaS application that you can build right away. So these are some of the sample topics that you can query just for example. So we will see the command line execution of this and also Streamlit based web interface which I have created to demonstrate this. Okay. So we have the structure defined using these, extending the pydantic base model. So we have the news article structure which has title, URL and summary. So when we query the large language model, we will tell it to respond it in this fashion. And then we have a search results model which gives a list of articles, and scraped article model which has title, URL, summary and content. Then we have the blog generator. This is the workflow. This blog generator class has got multiple agents inside and they are all stitched together in the run method. So first agent is DuckDuckGo tools, which is a web search tool. You can query websites, find 10 to 15 relevant sources. So, and you can adapt this based on your specific needs. So first is a searcher agent. Next is an article scraper agent. And here we are using the tool Newspaper 4K Tools, using which we can extract websites from URLs. Okay, so you are a content bot, a specialist in extracting and processing digital content for blog creation. Again, the prompt you can adapt. And what is the next? The next is the writer agent that actually writes. You are a blog master, an elite content creator combining journalistic excellence with digital marketing expertise. Your strengths and blah, blah, blah. Okay. And here we are giving the expected output, how you want the output. And we are mentioning properly attributed sources with links. And the run method of this class calls these agents. So first it checks if there is a cached report available. If the cached report is available, it will fetch the report and return. Next is it will look for the search results. It will check if there is search results already available. So once that is done, we execute the search results agent here, and we pass the topic and also mention use search results cache. And once we get search results, we execute the scrape articles method within the same class. So once we have the search results, we call the scrape articles agent, which is there in the same class. And finally, we are running the writer method here, and we are giving the writer input. Collected scraped articles, we are passing it as the input. And then finally, we are saving the report in the cache. Okay, so this is the thing that we have directly implemented in our example. So now let's, okay, so it's ready. We have the report here, see, title, subtitle, and the source link is there. And at the end, we have the sources as well. And here we can download the report, okay, aitrends.md. So what we will do is, we will open this in a markdown reader application. Okay, so this is the markdown formatted report our team of agents created. Okay, so here is the nicely formatted blog ready to be posted, created by our SaaS team of agents. Isn't this incredible? Now, if you don't want the web interface and if you want to just stay in the command line, so let's come out of this. In the command line, you can run Python command line, same code that we got from Agno library. You need to pip install all the requirements, and the entire code is available for you. So here, if I type AI trends as the topic, it is picking from the cache because I had already generated this. See here, nicely formatted, and it is saved in its local folder. Also, so the same application, you can run it as a command line tool to automate and continuously generate your blogs or whatever relevant research this team of agents can do for your clients. So please give me your valuable comments and suggestions. And if you have any questions, also come via the comment section. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you again in another practical video like this. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.